Hi, my name is Leitz Reference XE, and I am a 3D coordinate measuring machine. I measure industrial components with great precision, and thereby make the everyday work of many people across a wide variety of sectors easier. Sectors such as the automotive industry. That's where Paul works, for example. Paul is quality manager at a medium-sized automotive supplier. His tasks include the constant quality control of the manufactured components. That means he bears a lot of responsibility, because the quality of the components has a direct impact on the safety of the car. At the same time, he cannot afford to lose sight of the costs at any time. Until now, Paul always inspected the components using a relatively old measuring machine. This was not only very slow, but also inaccurate. Errors in the manufacturing process were therefore occasionally not detected, which led to many rejects. At a trade fair, he hears about the Leitz Reference XE by Hexagon metrology. It is a highly accurate, universal coordinate measuring machine with a moving gantry. It scans the component that is to be measured using a measuring head. The Reference XE allows Paul to inspect his components to an accuracy of 0.0014 millimeters. That's about 100 times smaller than the diameter of a hair. Thanks to the Reference XE, therefore, measurement accuracy is something that Paul no longer needs to worry about. In order to inspect a component, Paul clamps the component to the measuring table and starts the measuring program. The high-speed scanning sensor scans the component and captures up to 1,000 measuring points per second. If there is a CAD model, for example, the measuring software compares the measurement data with the digital model. He can detect any deviations at a glance by looking at the clear measurement report. In this way, Paul can quickly draw conclusions as to which manufacturing step needs to be altered in order to achieve the desired quality. Paul is now finally able to sleep soundly again, and while he does, the measuring machine even works at night. For example, if Paul wants to measure components manufactured in series production. For this, he needs only a loading system to feed the measuring machine. The whole process takes place automatically, and the best thing is that the Reference XE's high measurement accuracy can be purchased at a reasonable price. Paul is impressed. Thanks to the Leitz Reference XE, his plant functions efficiently and will be able to keep up with the competition for the long term. This is because he can now measure his components with greater speed and accuracy, which also ensures that fewer rejects are produced. And that saves both time and money. The Leitz Reference XE by Hexagon Metrology.